morning, student. In Maths, chapter 24, construction of quadrilateral. This chapter is very easy, and you have already studied. First question is that what is quadrilateral? What is quadrilateral? Any plane figure bounded by four line segment known as quadrilateral. Any plane figure bounded by four line segment known as quadrilateral. See, this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. For construction of quadrilateral, either three sides or four sides are given. Angular sides and angles are given, diagonals may be given, so you have to make it. Okay? Quadrilateral are generally many types. First one, rectangle. In rectangle, you know that opposite sides are equal and parallel, and each angle is 90 degrees, and diagonal also equal. Okay? Second one is square. In square, all sides are equal and parallel, and each angle is 90 degrees. All sides are equal. Diagonal will be also equal. But in parallelogram, opposite side will be equal and parallel, and diagonals are not equal, and angle will be not 90 degrees. Means a rectangle is also parallelogram. Next one, rhombus. In rhombus, all sides are equal and parallel, but diagonals are not equal. Okay. Next one, trapezium. Only two sides are parallel. Non-parallel sides are may be equal and may not be equal. Okay. Opposite sides are parallel. So in this construction, very easy question given. Suppose that 24.1 question number 3rd. 21.1 question number 3rd given. Construct a rhombus PQRS with one side is 5 cm and one diagonal is 10 cm. See that PQRS a rough diagram PQRS, one side is 5 cm and diagonal is given 10 cm. Very easy. First is the side PQ 5 cm. Q. Cut diagonal 10 cm. From here, other side will be also 5 cm. From here, you cut 5 cm. Join it. Now here also 5 cm, and from here also 5 cm, and here also 5 cm. Join this figure. This is your rhombus PQRS, in which each side is 5 and diagonal is 10 cm. Very easy question. Similarly, in this you have to study about the construction of square, construction of rhombus, construction of square, rectangle, parallelogram, maybe trapezium, okay, or any quadrilateral. See question number. All questions are also like that. This is 24.1 question number 3. You have to make. Now 24.2 question number 6. Question number 6 given. Construct a rectangle with the side 5 cm and 6 cm. two sides are given 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let rough diagram rectangle. Suppose this is 6 centimeter, this one 5 centimeter. Draw a line 6 centimeter AB. At A, construct 90 degree. Join it. At B also construct 90 degree. Join it. From A, other side is 5 centimeter. Take an arc of 5 centimeter, cut here. From here 5 centimeter, cut here. Join this one. This is your rectangle A, B, C, D, in which one side is 6 centimeter, other side is 5 centimeter. That is the question. See that 24.4. 1-2 question from each exercise you try to solve. Okay? See that 24.4 question number first. 24.3. 24. Yeah, this question 24.3 I had made. Okay? 24.2 also same question. 24.4 you see. Same question given. First question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 5 centimeter. See. Question number first. Given. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, what is given? AB 5 centimeter, BC 3.8 centimeter. 5 centimeter, 3.8 centimeter. CD 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter. Angle A is given 50 degree. Angle A is 50 degree. Angle C is given 140 degree. This is given 140 degree. See that. Draw line AB. Line AB 5 centimeter. Here construct 50 degree. 50 degree angle. Now cut here 50 degree and cut here 3.8. Take an arc 3.8. This is AB 5 centimeter, 50 degree. BC, see that 1, 2, 3 sides are given. 1, 2 angle are given. Confusion is that if you are simply taking 3.8 any line, 3.8 any line, suppose 3.8 any line, angle is not given here. 3.8 any line if you are taking at this point 3.8, at here you have to make 140 degree. 140 degree means that will be like that. Here you cut 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter, so that height 5.2 centimeter, and join this line up to there, this angle, because AB is not given. Maybe this construction is little away from the book. Angle AB 5 centimeter, BC 3.8 centimeter, ABCD. CD 5.2 centimeter, angle A 50 degree, and angle C 140 degree. Once more, just try. If you are working BC 3.8 3.8 centimeter. Then angle C is 140 degree, 140 degree, and that is CD 5.2 centimeter. Now A is given. AB is given 5 centimeter. If 5 centimeter, you can remember that in question answer is given. Question is given how? Maybe angle B is 140 degree. Any base angle should be. If see that if B will be 140 degree, A 5 centimeter, B angle A 50 degree, B 140 degree. This is given 3.8, and from here you can 5.2 centimeter. 50 degree from C you can 5.2 centimeter in line. 5.2 means angle B is 140 degree, not C. Similarly, you can make 24 point. Only 24.4 you have to do. Okay. Now one more thing I am going to explain in this. Suppose this is a quadrilateral. If a figure having five sides, that is called pentagon, 6 hexagon, 7 septagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. All are called polygon. In polygon, this triangle is also polygon. This is interior angle and that is the exterior angle. Okay. Then sum of interior angle, first formula, sum of interior angle of n side polygon, n sides polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This formula. Suppose find the sum of interior angle of pentagon. Pentagon means n is equal to 5. Pentagon n is equal to 5. Then this implies that 5 minus 2 into 180, 3 into 180, 540 degree. Sum of interior angle of pentagon 540 degree. Second formula. Each interior angle n minus 2 into 180 upon n. Find the interior angle of each interior angle of hexagon. Hexagon means n is equal to 6. Put the value 6 minus 2 into 180 upon 6. Here will be 4. 6 3 80 into 30, 120 degree. 120 degree. Sum of exterior angle. Sum of exterior angle of n side polygon, sides polygon 360 angles. And each exterior angle, fourth formula, each exterior angle that is 360 upon n. What is n? N is the number of sides. Suppose find the each exterior angle of pentagon. Pentagon is 5 sides. 360 upon 5. 5 6 yeah. 5 7 upon 5 to 72 degree. So this kind of question maybe teacher will ask, okay, in 1 mark question. In construction only little bit, okay. I hope that you have to do this one, okay. In 24.5, see question number 5. Question number 5. Given, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to BC. You have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to BC is equal to 5 centimeter. AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC, that is 4 centimeter. 4 sides are given. And angle B is given 80 degree. Angle B is given 80 degree. See that? Draw line AB. AB 5 centimeter. At B an angle 80 degree. 80 degree angle. Okay. BC also given 5 centimeter. BC also given 5 centimeter. From A, cut an arc of 4 centimeter. A arc 4 centimeter, and from C also an arc of 4 centimeter. Join this one. That will be D. You have 4 and 4 centimeter. This is a quadrilateral. You have to make. Okay. So I hope that you will construct 3 or 4 questions from each exercise of 24. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.